What if I told you that you can now start learning forex trading for free? Yeah, you heard me right. Fully for free. So watch this video to the end to get the full details. And before we get started, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you are new to this channel or you are still yet to subscribe, and hit the like button because you are going to love this. I am Samotoshi. So I've decided to make all my mentorship program for free. Yeah, for free, because I've come to understand that things are really hard, and there are really people that are zealous to learn forex trading but don't really have funds to start. You understand, or don't really have that much to pay for mentorship programs. So I sat down, I thought about it, and I've come to a decision to make Forex my whole mentorship program. That is, I mean, my premium mentorship program from henceforth for free. So, guys, you see what I told you? I said you are going to love this video because I know if you are really one of those aspiring to become a good at forex trading but really don't have funds to pay for mentorship program, because I could tell you from experience when I started learning through YouTube is so scattered, YouTube is so broad, so I was seeing different things. But when I entered into the mentorship program, I saw things that I really couldn't see from YouTube. You get. So my mentorship program is free, so you can now join, learn from A to Z, from beginners to advanced, fully for free. You get. And it's a lifetime mentorship program, so it's till you become profitable. Yeah, mine is to see you all testify one day that, yeah, I came across this guy on YouTube and he taught us all for free, and today I'm good as I just want to see you guys testify. Yeah. So I've created a WhatsApp and Telegram group, depending, like, if you aren't on WhatsApp, so you can join the Telegram group. So I've created a bot, and the link are in the description box. So go head straight to the description box, click any of the link you prefer. You understand? From my own end, because I'm more active on WhatsApp, so I'll prefer you guys join through WhatsApp. You understand? But still cool if you don't have WhatsApp, then you can join the Telegram then. So what I'll do from time to time, what I'm passing across to the WhatsApp group, I will be passing across to the Telegram channel too. You understand? So before you head straight to join, first of all, like this video, hit comment, just I don't know what you want to comment, just comment anything, like show love, guys. Share this video to people that you know that they would really love to see. Share this video to those you know that this particular stuff have been their problem, so share it to them so they could get to join too. So don't be greedy, because I really am giving it out for free, so you should also give it out for free. Just go to the description box, if possible copy the link, or once you join the group, ask for the link and I will paste you the link so you could share across to those you know that really love this. So just keep liking, sharing this video, hit the comment box, just comment so that this video gets to reach more people, and don't forget to subscribe even before you jump into my the group. Since you are not paying in return, just give me more subscribers. Yeah, I should put it that way. Give me more subscribers, so keep subscribing, hit the button. So I just want a tendency where the views should match the likes and the subscribers. Yeah, keep hitting, subscribe, share it, because I'm doing this for free. So you're not paying me, so just show love, let the video go far. Don't be greedy, don't keep it to yourself. So hit this description box, go click on the link and join immediately, because we'll soon kick off. Yeah, we will soon kick we will soon kick off. So, and very soon the group will be closed, you understand, for this first set of people, because I want to carry everybody along. I don't want a tendency whereby some will be joining later and some will be, you understand. So I just want everybody to go straight forward together, not some lacking behind, you understand. So that's it, guys, on today's video. So show me love, like it, comment, share, so that we too will get to recommend the video to others who really wants it. You understand? So see you guys on the Telegram and WhatsApp group. I love you guys. I remain Samus Toshi.